trading with confidence in HUB across stocks, options, and futures. Welcome to a deeper level of trading, where every order, adjustment, and exit is just a few clicks away. With TradeStation HUB, managing your portfolio isn't just efficient, it's intuitive, responsive, and built around the way you trade. It's Monday morning and you've been watching NVDA closely. After a strong technical breakout, you decide it's time to enter a position. From HUB's trade ticket, you enter NVDA and use the fixed quantity buttons to populate your quantity to 500 shares. You choose market for your entry price and activate the boxes for take profit and stop loss, defining your exit targets right from the start. With both entry and exit conditions in place, you enter the trade, confident that your setup is set to respond automatically to market movement. Later in the week, you anticipate volatility around Tesla's upcoming product announcement. You decide to trade a multi-leg option strategy to potentially capitalize on the move. From HUB, you enter TSLA and use the drop-down to select an Iron Condor, a strategy designed to profit from limited price movement. You customize each leg individually, adjusting strikes and expirations with dedicated buttons to match your outlook. You review the risk profile. Click the mid button to populate the limit price. Adjust by a few ticks. Then click Review and Buy. The trade is placed and your strategy is live. The clean layout keeps your complex strategy organized and actionable. Friday brings a new opportunity in the E-mini S&P futures. You expect a dip before a bounce, so you plan to buy a few points below the current price. From HUB, you enter the front month ES contract and the trade ticket automatically switches to your futures account. It's important to note that if you're trading across multiple accounts, use the account selector at the top to confirm the right one is active. You click the bid button to auto-populate the price, then use the drop arrow to adjust your entry a few points lower. You select GTC knowing this setup might take a few days to play out. Before placing the trade, you expand the symbol details, revealing a line graph of today's price movement. This day range view helps you visualize where your order sits within the day's volatility, giving you confidence in your entry. You place the trade and let the market come to you. Whether you're trading stocks with built-in exits, customizing multi-leg options, or placing futures orders with precision, TradeStation HUB gives you the tools to act quickly and manage confidently. And when your strategy calls for deeper analysis or advanced execution, transition seamlessly into Titan X. Together, HUB and Titan X form a connected trading experience that adapts to your pace, your style, and your goals.